In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to underline text using Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, knowing how to underline text can add emphasis to your design and ensure that your text stands out. This simple technique makes your work more dynamic and visually engaging. So, let's dive right in and explore the steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to begin by selecting the text you wish to underline. You can do this using the Type tool. The Type tool is located on the toolbar, and it looks like a T. Just click on it, and then click the text box containing your text. Alternatively, if you already have a text object on your artboard, you can simply select it. Ensuring your text is selected is essential, as this is the first step to applying any styling, including an underline. Next, navigate to the top menu bar. Here's where we'll find the option to open the character panel. You'll go to Window, hover over Type, and then click on Character. This panel is like a hub for all your text formatting needs, and it will pop up on your screen. With the character panel open, direct your attention to the icons within it. One of these icons is the Underline button, and it resembles a T with a line underneath it. Clicking this button is how you apply the underline effect to your selected text. If your interface looks a little sparse, you might not see this button right away. Don't worry, this is common. What you need to do is access the panel menu, which is usually indicated by a small icon or set of lines in the upper right corner of the panel itself. Click on this menu and then choose Show Options. This action will expand the panel and reveal additional formatting icons, including the Underline button if it wasn't visible before. Additionally, for those who love keyboard shortcuts, Adobe Illustrator has made it super easy to toggle the underline without even touching your mouse. If you're using a Windows system, just hit Shift and Control and U together, and voila, your text is underlined. Mac users can achieve this effect just as easily by pressing Shift, Command, and U. These shortcuts are handy and can really speed up your workflow, especially if you're working on multiple sections of text. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've learned how to underline text in Adobe Illustrator. Practice using these techniques, and you'll be able to emphasize important parts of your design in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.